Hey, we got another unboxing. And today, on As the Shoe Turns, we got one kind of planned purchase and the other one not so planned purchase. But we'll dive into both of these. Let's go with the kind of planned purchase. What's going on? Because I saw these, on Sneaker News. That's where I'm usually on there. When I shouldn't be, but sneakernews.com. They're generally pretty good on releases and things that should and could come out. And they missed the release date on this unless they release somewhere else. And we didn't know about it, but I just saw these on the site on Thursday. And I've been trying to chill, man. I've been trying to chill. But I knew when I saw these were going to be released, I knew I was going to pick them up. So I had to get them. There we go. It's another Vapormax utility. Now, usually, Nike tries to go with the colorway, when they make these bags. Now, I still don't know. It's reflective also. I love that. I still don't know what you use the bag for. I don't know who says, hey, you know what? I think I'm going to need my Vapor utility today. So let me grab my bag and just toss them in there. I love that 3M, man. That's fire. It's fire. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's dope. But that leads to the colorway of the shoe, which is a team red, and it almost looks like a wolf gray. But there you have it. Man, I can't wait to wear these. These are fresh. And as usual, that's, a 3M Vapormax there. I think that's the only 3M on the shoe. What usually happens is they'll do 3M here and 3M there on these Vapormax utilities. But man, these are awesome, man. I knew they were going to come out with a lot of colorways, and I knew I was going to be a sucker and get a lot of them. There's still a couple more on the site that I want, but I'm going to have to chill on those, But I try to get the ones that I know I'm going to feel terrible if I don't get, and I miss them. So those are the Vapormax utility team red. Let me get these in order for y'all. I think with doing these videos I'd be better by now, but still doing the one hand joint. And on the inside, they got some speckles in there. It's kind of different. It's Vapormax though. And you got your drawstring here. It's easy lace system. No muss, no fuss. The only problem some people have is this collar just getting in. And on some of my Vapormaxes, not all of them, well, my utilities, sometimes on my right foot, this collar's a little tight. It's a little tight. Sometimes it'll loosen up, and in other shoes, I don't even feel it. But I don't even wear my shoes enough to loosen them up. So that's on me. So that's the perils of having multiple shoes. Some of them just never get broke in correctly. It's true. Now, on to the not so planned or not planned at all pickup. And these, let me tell you something. When I saw these on court, these were really the only shoes that I actually wanted if they were to ever have a draw for them. Now, you can see they're LeBron James. But let me tell you something. I never win the draw. Ever. I never ever win the draw. Especially when it's something I want. But man, when I got this notification, you want to talk about happy. These are the Diamond Turf, the red Diamond Turf, LeBron 15. Man, oh man, when I saw him wear these on court, I was like, sheesh, those are awesome. So I might have to do a separate video on these. Right now I'm just doing the unboxing because I'm just excited. But let me tell you something, man. As a kid, I couldn't afford any Diamond Turfs. I was just too young. Parents wasn't going for that. But this would have makes up for it. You got your, your diamond, baseball diamond in your field goal here, because Dion was a dual sport athlete. So, but you still got your LeBron James design for the 15. He just added the Diamond Turf strap on there, and it's I don't know, man. It's really really eye catching. I just really like it. I think even on the inside, you got football field in there. You see that? Look at that. You even got LeBron James, and you got a football field in there. Isn't that awesome? That's awesome. So, here's your strap. I'm not sure how much that plays into support, but you look at that. You got your 3M. No, it's stitched. It's stitched. It's a stitched LBJ in there. I'm not sure how much that plays into support, but I know it's banging. But these it's red color, man. I'm a sucker for red. I'm just a sucker for red. And if there's any LBJ besides the Ohio State red ones he released like this, of course minus the strap, man, this is all that, man. This is all that. So there you have it. This is just the unboxing, man. You got your Diamond Turf LBJ, and you got your Team Red Vapormax utility, man. Hey, I say that's a good week. Thanks for tuning in. Leave any questions you got in the comment section. I'll answer whatever I can later.